Hello, this is Dr. Fitzgerald. In this video, we want to discuss factoring a difference of two perfect squares. So a difference of two squares is of the form x squared minus b squared. So notice we have two perfect squares. And this factors as a plus b times a minus b. So let's look at a couple of examples. We want to factor x squared minus 9. X squared minus 9. Okay, well, my first thing I'd like to do is I'd like to think of this as x squared minus 3 squared. And so this guy will factor as x plus 3, x minus 3. And that would be our final answer. Let's look at another example. Let's factor x squared, or let's change that up. I want to change that a little bit. I want to factor 25x squared minus 16. And in this case, I want to think of this as 5x squared minus 4 squared. And this will factor as 5x plus 4 times 5x minus 4. Let's look at one last example. What if we want to factor 3x squared minus 12? So we have 3x squared minus 12. Wait a minute. 3 is not a perfect square, nor is 12 a perfect square. But recall, the very first type of factoring we should always check for is the greatest common factor. And notice that a 3 can be removed from this problem. So if I rewrite this as 3 times x squared minus 4, by removing my greatest common factor, now I see I have a difference of perfect squares. And this guy will factor as 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. And this would be the completely simplified answer for this problem. Now this is factoring a difference of two perfect squares.